So today I'm going to show you a magic finger experiment using water, glitter, and soap. Water has surface tension, so the water likes to stick together. This allows it to hold very tiny things like our glitter or leaves or even maybe bugs. So I just put a little bit of glitter on our water and you can see it floats on top. Now what do you think is going to happen when I touch this glitter with my finger? I get glitter all over my finger. But if I want to do a little bit of magic, I can put some dish soap onto my finger and then let's see what happens now. Ooh. Magic. Why the glitter moved away when I put my finger with soap into the water? It's because the surface tension changed. The soap caused the surface tension to change because it is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means that the soap does not like the water, so the water runs away.